Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened on last Friday. The chart you're seeing is a 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates last Friday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 4,460s. We expected crude oil to stay in selling, but at a certain conditions we thought if the price is moving above 4,520 or above that, you can go for selling, or if the price is coming below 4,260s, we can go for buying. Else it will be a market watch day, but the price consolidated and took support near 4,420s, and you could see the price went near 4,480s and came down till 4,406 and closed near 4,448. So we could see that the price moved sideways without providing any sort of entry opportunities as per our advice, but still we could say it maintained its sell trend. You could see a deep sharp drop here and a complete recovery, and it looks like a neutral market. So today it's expected to open somewhere within the same range of 4,450s and 60s. So there is no change in our strategy. We need to wait for the price to move up till 4,520 or 60 to go for selling till 4,600 by placing stop loss near 4,630. You can sell in those ranges, but what we feel is that if you want to give another try for crude oil, wait for the price to come below 4,420. On your breakdown below 4,420, you can go for selling in crude oil by placing stop loss near 4,470s. So it's another way of trying to hit on the breakdown. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.